Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Today, we're exploring the 2002 G5 euro cents coin from Germany. This small copper-plated steel coin weighs 3.92 grams and measures 21.25 millimeters in diameter. Minted in 2002 at the Karlsruhe Mint, marked with a G. It was part of Germany's first euro coin series following the adoption of the euro currency. The Obverse features the federal eagle of Germany, a symbol of strength and unity, along with the country name, Bundesrepublik Deutschland, and the year, 2002 G. On the reverse, you'll find the denomination, 5 euro cent, with a globe showing Europe, surrounded by 12 stars representing the European Union. While most 2002 G5 euro cents coins are common, uncirculated or high-grade coins can hold additional collector value. Look for sharp details on the eagle and globe for the best examples. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Stay tuned for more hidden treasures from the world of coins.